Hey guys, this is Monica D. Williams. Welcome to day one of your video training in this 5-day video series that I put together for newbies so that you can achieve online success. Now today's video is going to be focused on how to get your domain name. Okay, so let's get into it. What is a domain name? Simply put, a domain name is a unique address that you can use on the internet. It's how people find you in cyberspace. Okay, you can consider it as your piece of real estate on the internet. Now, what do I mean? If you look over here, up in the web browser, monicadwilliams.com, and that is attached to my blog. So monicadwilliams.com is my domain name. So when you're setting up your blog, you want to brand yourself with your name. So you would want to pick a domain name that is your name.com. Okay? So let's get right into it. Now if you go to my blog, monicadwilliams.com, you'll notice at the top there's a recommended resources tab. We're going to click on that tab. Okay, now the first resource on the page is for domain names. So we're going to click on that, and that's going to take us to GoDaddy. And this is where you're going to purchase your domain name. Now the first thing we want to do is create an account. Okay? So let's say your name is Tom Jones, Tom D. Jones. Okay? And we're going to just fill this information out. This is self-explanatory, but I want to just go through it so that you can see where it takes you onto the next page. Okay? Okay, and then we're going to create a password. Okay. And you're going to fill in, just go through and fill out the information that they are requesting. Okay? Okay? And I'm just making up this information just to get us to where we need to be on the next screen. Okay. And then, of course, you want to go in and read what this information is and click according to what you want. Okay, and then we're just going to simply click on create a new account. Oh goodness. Okay, my passwords don't match and the login name already in use. Okay. Password. Let's see. Okay. Let's try that and see if that works. Okay, and there we have it. So we've created our account. Now on to the good stuff. And this is really simple, folks. Okay, everything here is self-explanatory. Now this screen is just showing you your dashboard. And once you set up your account, you come back to this and familiarize yourself with everything that is here. Okay. Now what we're going to do next is we want to come over to recommended products and click on domain names over here on the left side. Okay. Alright, now right in the center of the screen, start your domain name search here. Okay, because we have to make sure that the name that we want is available. Okay, so let's say again your name is Tom Jones. So we're going to look for tomdjones.com. And notice this drop down box where the .com is. Okay, it gives you plenty of options if you don't want to use .com. Different extensions that you can use: .biz, .net, .gov, .info, a whole lot of different variations. Okay, but as we all know, .com is the most used extension. So if you give someone your domain name and it's tomdjones.me or something other than .com, there may be a little confusion there and you may lose some traffic. So if at all possible, you want to go with a .com, okay? But it's not critical, it's not crucial. Alright, now let's search and see if that domain name is available. And it is. See, it says tomdjones.com is available for $11.44 for a whole year. That's 12 months of registration for this domain name, okay? So you just want to simply add that to your cart, okay? And then a box will pop up and it'll just give you that information that one domain registration is pending. You can just close that out. Okay, now because this is probably your first time registering a domain name, we're going to just click through all of the add-on options that they will present to you. Okay, so we're going to click on continue to registration. Okay, and we're just going to say no thanks. Ooh, excuse me. Bless me. Okay, we're going to say don't show this again and no thanks. Okay, now as you can see, your domain name, you have one domain name, tomdjones.com. Now the registration length, it defaults to 5 years, so you're just going to come over here and select 1 year because you just, like I said, you're just starting out. So let's just go ahead and select the 1 year. And over here it has your registration contact information, your name and address and contact info. And then we're just going to keep it at uncertified. We don't need to tack on more fees for this, so we're just going to click the next button. And we're going to go with the standard, so we're just going to click next. Okay, and we're not going to add any of this extra stuff on. We're just going to click next. Okay, now as you can see, this is the shopping cart. Okay, your product, the domain name that you chose, here it is, tomdjones.com, and your details, one domain for 1 year. Okay, it's a public registration for $7.49, and then they add on a fee which brings your total to $7.67, as you can see in the order total. So here you're just going to click continue to checkout. Okay, so you just want to verify that all your information is correct on the cart before you pay for it. Okay, and you're just simply going to fill out your credit card information and verify your billing information. Okay, and then the final step is to accept the terms. So you would click here and then you would place your order. Now I'm not going to place this order because I don't want to purchase this domain name. Okay, but you would click place your order now, and once you do that, you own that domain name and you can do with it what you want. Now on the next video in this series, we'll be showing you how to take that domain name that you just purchased and transferring it or putting it on your blog. Okay, so we'll see you on the next video.